Salamun alaikum. How are you, my friends? After I made my Egyptian Arabic DVD courses, plus the books, plus the dictionary with audio sounds, many students asked me to make book with the videos for modern standard Arabic. That's why, after a long time, with a very good plan to make my book, the book that helps you speak Arabic with the videos, I want to explain this for you. For example, let's see the page number 6.
دخل يدخل ادخل ادخل بيتك بقدمك اليمنى خرج يخرج اخرج أخرج من البيت مبكرا أكل يأكل كل أريد أن آكل لأني جوعان وجد يجد جد هل وجدت محفظتي؟
And here, of course, like the CD, like this DVD, for all the book, I took videos for every page. Plus, you have the audio sound, also for every page, for all pages. So this book I made for most verbs we use in our life, and in the past, present, and imperative as well. Plus, I made a sentence. After you study this book, you will speak Arabic very well. Even you will understand the news easily. And I will send this book with the videos, with the audio sounds to your email. Then very easy, you can download them like the book PDF, and the videos you can download them very easy on your computer or your mobile or even your iPad. Even you can write to me on WhatsApp. I can also send you the videos plus the book on your WhatsApp very easily. And for the payment, you can pay by PayPal to my PayPal link here, as you see now. It's very easy. And for the price, it's very good price. I made a very good price. Why a special price? For everyone to be able to get my book, the book that helps you speak Arabic with the videos, with the audio sounds for the book. The price is $25. You can contact me at my WhatsApp and my email. I will let you know. I will write all my contacts. And when you have any questions, anytime, I am your teacher. You can ask me. Thank you so much. إني أحبكم. I love you. مع السلامة. Bye bye.